Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we had promised you that we'll be starting to post paid strategies for free. Okay, paid strategy in the sense people are selling this strategy for 20,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So today we will start posting the paid strategies one by one for free. First, before I start the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, we kindly request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give a like button. Okay, now let us start the session. Now what you have to do, yesterday it was a wonderful example for this strategy. This strategy is very simple. What you have to use here, take Bank Nifty features, take Bank Nifty features or Bank Nifty spot or Nifty. So you can choose any or even stocks also you can choose. Same concept is applicable. Here what and all we are going to use? We are going to use two methods. One first method is the high and low of the first candle 9:15 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. 9:30 a.m. That is high and low of the first candle. Along with that, we are going to use one EMA called 9 EMA. Okay, listen carefully. So this can be used in any script, especially it works well in the Bank Nifty. Either feature, spot, Nifty or stocks, it works for everything. But you have to do continuously again. So the no strategy is 100% holy grail, right? It will fail some days, it will be successful for more days. So when you are having more success rate, then you can sustain in the market. If you are not successful, if you are not continuing the trades as per the strategy, no strategy will give you profit. So keep this in mind. Always trade with limited quantity. If you are trading with one quantity, always trade with one quantity. If you are trading in 20 two quantity, two lots, always trade in two lot. Okay, don't suddenly change to higher level or suddenly decrease to lower levels. So keep this in mind. That's all. So this one is the strategy. Now what you have to do? What is the other condition? I will explain you one by one. Clear? So here, come here, and this is our indicator. I am removing all the other parts. I am enabling only one, that is EMA 9. Okay. Now EMA 9. We have to mark the first candle high and first candle low. First candle high and first candle low. Okay, now I have marked it. So next condition is the first candle should be above the EMI line. First candle should be above this EMI line. When it is so and high of that candle is broken, then we have to go for the buy entry at the opening of the second candle. The low of this candle minus some 3 percentage or 3 points or 5 points or 15 points, around 300 rupees buffer point you have to keep. That's all. So what will be your target? Your target will be the range of the first 15 minutes candle. First target will be the range of the first 15 minutes candle. Second target will be the same range. You have to extend the range. This is first one. So let us see when we have got the entry. So this is yesterday. Yesterday we didn't get. Yesterday where we got. Yesterday it was opened. The EMA was above the first 15 minutes candle, so it was not valid trade. Then here 20 on this one. So this is the first 15 minutes candle high. This is the first 15 minutes candle low. See here, this first 15 minutes candle. So when the low of this candle is broken and the EMA is above the candle, now we have to go for the sell entry here. The target will be the range of the your first candle. Same condition for buy and sell. For sell, the EMA line should be above the candle, and for buy, the EMA line should be below the candle. Then previous day, this one. So here you mark the first candle high and first candle low. Now tell me whether sell valid or buy valid. So here the EMA line is below the candle. So here we should not go for the sell entry. Only if buy activated, then we have to go. So where the buy activated? Here at 12:15 buy activated. At 12:15 buy activated, and we have got some profit. Then previous day here. So here this is the first high, first 15 minutes candle high. This is the first 15 minutes candle low. So here the candle is above the EMA line. So we have to look only for the buy entry. So buy entry when it got triggered, only at 3:15 3 o'clock only it got triggered, and we have got some profit. 35,116 to 35,169. Some 50 points only we have got the profit. The market got closed. Now coming to this part. So here this candle, first 15 minutes candle, the EMA line is below the first 15 minutes candle. Once the high of this candle is broken, we have to go for the buy entry. So here how many points we have got? So we have got hardly some, what is the high? 35,042, 35,120, 80 plus points we have got here at 11:45. Then it has started falling. So whenever you are in profit, please trial your stop loss also. So someday you will lose, someday you will get more profit. And see here. So this is on 20th December. Mark the high and mark the low. So now immediately second candle has broken the first candle low, and the condition is 9 EMA should be above the candle. So the condition is matching. First candle 15 minutes time low is broken. So in the low of that candle is broken, we have to go for the sell entry. See here we have got very good profit. Similarly, previous day, where is this 8:20 then? Previous day also we have got very nice profit. See here, condition EMA should be above the candle. So this can be acceptable, no issue. Second one, the low of the candle should be broken for the sell entry. Broken, see the fall. Then here 16, what happened? The EMA line is below the candle, so we should look only for the buying opportunity. We didn't get the buying opportunity. We should not go for the selling opportunity. But here we have got one sell opportunity. See here. So this candle has closed below this EMA line. When the low of this candle is broken, then you can go for the sell entry. Your stop loss will be the previous swing high. This is the previous swing high, right? The range will be from this big candle to this big small candle. Okay, this will be your first target. From here to here will be your first target. Similarly, your second target also. Then 15, no proper trade. Where it is 14. This is 14. When the low of this is the low broken, but we didn't get the profit. Okay, that day we booked a loss. So here see here high broken, but we didn't get much profit. How much we have got? This is the high 35, 37, 675, 657, and the high made 37, 717. So around 60 to 70 points you have got the profit, then SL got hit. So you will get, whenever the market is a trending day, you will get very good profit. See here. Here high broken, EMA line is below the candle, and see the high, we have got very good profit. And this day, here we got very good entry. High of this candle is broken, and immediately we have got very good profit. So this kind of day if we are getting, don't miss such trade. Okay dears, thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please practice, and this is only for the educational purpose. Before you put your real money, please consult with your financial advisor. We are giving only for the educational purpose. If you are not started subscribing to our indicator or to our YouTube channel or Telegram channel, please subscribe. We are going to release many more paid strategy with the live trade also. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all for your support. Wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead.